Hurricane Garage Doors and Services here with another how-to video for you. This is how to program a Chamberlain, Liftmaster, or Sears Craftsman opener. First off, we start with the center button. Hold it. Arrow starts blinking. Alright, so you can toggle it to where you need it to be at. Once it's set, press center button. Down arrow starts flashing. Once it's set, press center button. Now it goes into force mode. Press the up arrow, starts automatically setting the force. Once that's set, press the down arrow. All buttons stop flashing. Means it's programmed. Walk over to your push button. You have a light flashing. Press it. Press it. That's all to it for programming the Chamberlain. All you need to do now is press the yellow learn button, program your remotes to it, and you're all set.